Last class we discussed remainder theorem. Remainder? Yeah. Carney or Uprise, the somebody respond? Yeah.
So, can I?
Yes, yes, please.
So it's like we let p into p bracket x be any polynomial of degree, and then we change the variable into that number in the whole equation, and try to find the answer with it.
Try to find the answer. Generally, what is the definition? You could not copy that definition. Okay, understand, understand. So, don't worry. So, this is the definition. If
Sir, I do have the definition, sir.
yeah, if your polynomial p of x, we have to read like that. P of x is divided by binomial x minus a. That the remainder obtained is p of a. P of a. Look here, all of you. Nothing to copy, nothing to do. Last class we completed all. So x minus 2. X minus 2 means p of 2. If you substitute minus 12, you got answer. After that, we did this method also. Either substitution method like this way, either long division, either synthetic division. We three discuss. Yes, same sum, three methods we applied last class. Now, today topic is factor theorem. Factor theorem. Same theorem. Previously, remainder theorem, you will get f of a, something remainder. Factor theorem means you have to get 0. Remainder should be 0. Please copy these 3 lines. Copy all of you.
Sir, if it should come 0, sir, in the end, then wouldn't it become 0 of polynomial, sir?
Yes, I'll explain you once. First copy them. Otherwise, they are simply explaining solution, not definition. After Subhasri, please read this.
Sir, if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than 1.
N greater than 1 means what is the meaning here?
Any digit or number which is greater than 1.
Okay, good, good.
And a is any real number.
Real
then
number.
X minus a is a factor of p of x. If p of a is equal to 0 and
P of a is equal to
0.
Very good. And
p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x.
Look here, children. 2 things are there. All of you look here, stop writing. Children, please stop writing. Boys, stop writing. P of x is a polynomial. So polynomial, they will not write anything. Just they will indicate it only P of x. P of x is a polynomial. Degree is more than 1. That means degree 2, degree 3, degree 4. Understand? X square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5, like that. So, and a is a real number. We know that real number. Real number means any number, not root like that. Like whatever you can substitute. So it should be real number. Look here. We know that x minus a is a factor of p of x. So here minus a is there. Minus a means what will substitute? Plus a. Yes or no? If you substitute, answer is 0. That means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. It means we will call, based on this topic, x minus a is the factor. X minus a is the factor. Factor means any polynomial divided by x minus a will get remainder 0. Come back here. Okay, now. and other. If, for example, you substituted some value, you got answer is 0. You got answer is 0. So P of A is equal 0. That's why A is there. That's why x minus A is the factor of P of X. Two things remember. If they said x minus A factor, you have to get answer 0. If you got answer 0, that is a factor. That is a factor. It's a factor, answer will get 0. Is it clear? If it is x minus A is a factor, answer is 0. If answer you got 0, x, that is a factor. So I'll show the examples. Approach the clear? Yeah.
I didn't get, sir.
What?
Sir, I said I didn't get answer.
What happened?
Sir, the second one, like if the factor is 0, sir, what will happen?
Okay. Mic on once. They are saying that x minus A is a factor. Okay, any number is factor for anything. Answer you will get 0. If you get answer, if you substitute P of X is equal to 0, x minus A is a factor. Based on, this is the definition. Once we'll go to example, you will understand clearly, don't worry. So generally, come here. Tarun, please read this. Tarun. Okay. Right.
Sir, so it can be any equation or expression, but then P of that, P of A or B or C, whatever variable it is, should be 0.
Yes. Answer should be 0. Either long division or substitution or synthetic division. Previously, you will get remainder something. Remainder you will get 2, 3, 10 like that. Okay, and here you will get answer should be 0. You will get answer 0 is a factor. You did not get answer 0 is not a factor. Okay. Tarun, I think my problem. Somebody read. Anyone? Yes, yes, please.
If P of X is a polynomial of degree greater than 1, then
Yes.
example n greater than 1 and A is a real number such
Yeah.
that P of A is equal to 0 and then x minus A is a factor of P of X. Or we can say if x minus A is a factor of P of X, then P of A is equal to 0.
Same definition also previous I explained. Okay, now? This is the same definition. Now come here. This implies x plus A is a factor. They are saying factor. Factor means the given number exactly divisible by x plus A. Exactly this means you'll get remainder is 0. That is the meaning. Factor means pakka it will divisible. Clear? So they are saying if x plus A is a factor of the polynomial P of X. So here plus A, what you have to substitute? Minus A. Unmute all, unmute some, unmute children, few boys and girls. So P of X, here plus A is there. So here plus A, what you have to substitute? P of minus A. You have to get answer 0. Remainder theorem, you can get answer anything. But here you have to get answer is 0. Nothing new, everything same. But answer 0 pakka. Here, Ax minus B. Ax minus B is a factor of a polynomial. So Ax minus B children, Ax minus B. Generally we will take it's a 0 of the polynomial. So Ax is equal minus B right that side plus B. So what will come? X is equal
B by A.
Very good, very good. B by A. So that time you have to substitute B by A like this.
So this means in factor theorem we should like the answer should only be 0, right?
Yes. If answer is 0, you will say this number is a factor. Answer is 0, this number is a factor. Two things. If it is a factor, answer will get 0. If answer is 0, this is a factor.
Okay, sir.
Come here, come here. If you look here. x minus a, x minus b is a factor of the polynomial. They are saying 2. Here x minus a, x minus b. There are 2 or there are not?
So then we
That
have
means,
to read them and do.
that means p of a also 0, p of b also 0. Splitting, okay now. So we'll take one more example. The difference between both remainder theorem and factor theorem. If your polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. Remainder is f of a means f of a is something number or 0, whatever, something is there. But factor theorem, a polynomial f of x has a factor of x minus a if and only if f of a is equal to 0. Factor theorem says like this. You have to get answer is 0. Remainder 0. So x cube, some little bit, okay. X cube, 5x square minus 12x minus 36 is there. What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. Okay, now. So what is the coefficient of x square? 5. Minus 12. Minus 36. So they are given that x minus 3 is a factor. X minus 3 is a factor. Okay, now. So here minus 3 is there. You have to take plus 3. Plus 3. So first number I said always 0. First number always 0. You have to always add. 0 plus 1, 1. So 3 ones, 3. Add it both. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 threes, 24. Again add it. But this value is minus, 12. This value is plus. That's why you get 12. 12 threes are 36. Plus 36 minus 6 cancel. You got 0 answer. When you are substituting 3, you'll get answer 0. That's why you will say that x minus 3 is a factor. If you get answer 0. You did not get answer 0, you will not say x minus 3 is a factor. It's not a factor, you will say that. I hope you are understanding, not our, you are understanding. One more example, like we'll start this exercise 2.4. Keep the heading. There are 5 questions. Questions are there. Big exercise like. If you have ebook, please open. Otherwise, no problem. I will show that sums.
Can we start doing?
1 second. Yeah, I will show you. So this is that screenshot. Textbook, inside textbook. Exercise 2.4, determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 is a factor. They are saying that they are given 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 questions, you have to check it x plus 1 only. X plus 1 is a factor for 4 questions or not.
We should not change it to minus 1.
No, we have to change. The 4 questions, only one. One is this number is factor or not, we have to check. Okay. Look here, again, determine same question, children. Look here, stop writing. I know you are very good. This is easy only. This is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is the given question. Now, they said the 0 of x plus 1. Here plus 1 is there. What you have to substitute? Minus 1. So, this is the given polynomial, take it p of x. Given polynomial, take it p of x. Here they will not give it, children. They will not give p of x. You have to take. So minus 1 substitute. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1, 1. Minus 1 cube. So there are minus 3 minus are there, means minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus only you will get. But minus square means plus 1. Here plus into minus, minus 1.
Minus.
So plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel 0. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel 0. You got answer 0 or not? Therefore, so P of X, sorry, since P of minus 1 is equal to 0, so by a factor theorem, X plus 1 is a factor. They are saying check. Yes, sir, which are the following factor or not? We got answer or not? You got remainder 0, that means is a factor. Please copy up to. Start doing second sum, Shifali. Try it. First two sums only will do. Remaining two sums homework. Somebody left, children. I'm you. So they can join now. If anybody want to join, I remove that unlock.
The second question is not a factor, sir.
What you are getting answered?
1, sir.
Okay, good, Aprajita. Boys, are you doing? Supradeep, Venkat Varun?
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Good. Mohit, are you doing? Are you understand? Mohit, I think you are last class absent. Aditi, are you doing? Aditi, Aditya, Arbaz, please respond. Awab, Chris, Dheeraj, Divya, Humera. Sorry for that, some power problem. Done? First two
Yes,
sums.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Right.
Sure.
Now, question number 2. Look here. Somebody read this second question.
Use the factor theorem to determine whether g into x is a factor of px in each of the following.
Yes, previously they given you x plus 1 for 4 questions. Now they are given different numbers. For p of x, they given 1. Second question, they given x plus 2. Third question, they given x minus 2 like this. Choose out of 3, any one, do it and tell me. Start doing. Same method. There are 3 questions are there. Do it any one. Is it clear, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start doing.
Sir, second one is not a factor, sir.
Not a factor? Okay, 1 second, I'll show you. One second, I'll show you the answer.
The first one is not a factor, sir.
First one is not a factor.
It's not a factor.
First one, second one is also not a factor.
Third one is a factor. Sir, I did not understand. Mohit, You joined early. Why not? We can ask now. So if you miss last class like that, mass connection now, Mohit. Everything is continuation. How will understand? First one, how many members got this answer? Yes is a factor. Just show them. How many members got? Aprashti got first one? Good. So,
No.
Shifa, which sum you are doing?
Second one, sir.
Do it. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
which sum
The
you did?
first one is not
The first one, sir. First one is not a factor.
Is a factor.
Why? Look here, now. There is a solution.
Sir, the thing was 3x power 3 x power 3, sir.
Where? Okay. Right.
so the answer will come as -1, so not 0.
Okay.
Sir, hence
Second
it is
one.
not a
Second one.
factor.
Mohit, ask. Mohit, ask. Narula, which sum you did?
Second one, sir.
You got that -1 answer?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, good. So, x cube minus 4x square plus x. Divya did, I think, third sum. Yes, Divya, I think someone might problem, right? We'll go to question number 3. More 10 minutes, I will take it, speed up. Look here. Narula, Shivina once read.
Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases.
Okay. Shifali,
Yes, sir.
if they are saying now x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 factor of p of x. So they are saying you should not check. Already they are saying factor. So what is the answer? What you'll get final answer? Factor means final answer is
Zero.
zero.
Then we have to find the
Yes,
zero.
yes. So children, question number x square plus x plus k is that given polynomial. They are saying that x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So what you have to substitute? P of 1. If you substitute, you will get 0. But they are saying you have to take 0. So P of x is equal to 0. That means you have to substitute P of 1. Where there is a x, substitute 1. 1 square, 1. K value same. Yes or no? But next children, 1 square is 1. This value is 1. 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1.
2, sir.
So 2 plus k. But P of 1 is equal to 0. We know or not? P of 1 is equal to 0. That's why P of 1 is equal to 0. You have to substitute. That means here 2 plus k is equal to 0. So 2 plus k, this value, 2 plus k value equal to 0. So plus 2, write this side, plus 2, this side minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2. You have to find like this answer. I repeat once again.
Find the variables.
You have to find that letter. K value you have to find in this question. You have to substitute one value, you have to do it. If you understand, please copy. If you have doubt, ask me. Shivina, clear? Just substitute, you have to equal 0. Okay? All numbers, variables one side, all numbers take other side. Try second one and tell me answer.
Sir, -2 minus root 2, sir.
-2 minus root 2, okay.
Sir, I don't understand this, sir. Like the last thingy.
They are saying, generally, Aditya, if you substitute 1, you will get answer 0, yes?
Yes, sir.
So, you got answer is 2 plus k. You have to equalize 0.
Oh, so like, okay.
You have to equalize to 0.
Okay, sir.
Aditya, try fourth one and tell me.
Can I say fourth one?
So what's the answer for the first, for the second one, sir?
1 second, I'll tell you. Yes, is it clear, Yash?
Yes, sir.
Vinil, are you doing? Vinil,
Yes, sir.
Venkat, Tarun, Supradeep, Subhasri. Shainavi, Siddhartha Atluri. Shainavi, Shivank, Rehan, Pavani, Usna, Humera. Sankarshan, is it clear to you?
Sir, fourth one, is it k is equal to 2?
Fourth one, k is equal to 1 second. I'll show you answers. Okay, fourth one, I think I didn't do. I'll tell you here. So 1.
1 second, sir. Can I search it in my book?
Now k plus k, that means 2k minus 3.
Fourth one.
Fourth one, 3 by 2, no?
3 by 2.
Yes, because if you substitute here k, 1 square is 1 only. Minus 3 into 1 plus k only we get here is equal to 0. So k plus k, 2k. That means 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2k is equal 3 by, so 3 here, minus 3, that is a plus 3, so k is equal to, Aditya.
Yeah, sir, k is equal to 3 by 2.
Thank you. Please check it.
I got it, sir.
Yeah. Look here, second sum, children. If you substitute Samita, Ishita Reddy, if you substitute 1, so 2 into 1, k into 1 and root 2. So 2 into this value is 2. This value is root 2. Don't add anything. Just leave like that. Your answer is equal to 0. So all of you children, 2 also take that side. Minus root 2 also take that side. So minus 2 minus root 2. Either minus common, you will write like this. This is the answer. Samita, done?
So the root does not get cancelled here.
No. Leave like that one. Shall I go to next sum?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Hey boys, how to do you know now, children? One sum enough, 1 or 2. You did 2. Okay. Okay. Come here. Stop writing. Look here. Today, if possible, I'll stop it here. Already 10:40 children. 5 to 6 minutes. I'll complete this. Okay. Look here. Sit properly and listen. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Grade 8 will learn already splitting middle term. Yes. Factorization chapter. Exercise 3. So we know that splitting middle term 12x square into 1. 12x square into 1. So we have to take factors for 12. 4 3s. We need to get 7. Yes or no? So 4 3s. So minus 4, minus 3. Because already 4 3 is there. Minus 4 into, if you take minus 3, product is plus 12. If you add both, minus 4, minus 3, if you add it both, add means both are same symbol, that's why minus 7. So you'll get minus 7. From this 2, you have to take common is 4x. If you take 4x common, 4 3s are 12. So 3x, here nothing is there, 3x minus 1. Here nothing common, take 1 is a common. So again 3x minus 1. 3x minus in 2 places common, write like this. Splitting middle term.
So we did it so many times.
Yes,
Great, sir.
yes, start doing.
The fifth question is also the same.
Yes.
Fifth question is also the same.
No, fifth question is totally different term. Because if I'll start, to next class, that is only starting. That is the 4 marks question important.
Split the middle term in the second question, sir.
Second,
It will be plus 1x plus 6x.
so 2 3s are 6.
So plus 1x plus 6x.
Yes, 6 1s are 6. First one copied, Shifali?
But it's okay, so you can remove. Fine, I don't need to.
No, copy. Start doing. Somebody respond for next sum factors.
3 plus x into 2x plus 1, sir.
3.
3 plus x into 2x plus 1.
Okay.
Sir, x plus 3 into 2x plus 1, sir, for the second sum.
Look here. X plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Right? Start doing complete 4 sums. Today we'll close the class. Next, 6 into 6, 36 take factors. 9 fours. Done?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, ask me here. Saumita, please respond, Saumita. Niharika,
Yes, sir.
are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Ishita. Ishita Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Latisha. Laksh.
Sir.
Pavani. Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for the third sum, 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 3, sir.
Yes, correct.
So
Children, you
3x
can,
minus 4 into x plus 1.
boys, she said question number and answer. You have to say question number answer.
So fourth one, sir.
Yes, you are right. Children, you can write this. You can write first 3x minus 2, second 2x plus 3, no problem. Here they wrote 2x plus 3 first. You can write this side also, no problem. So this is splitting middle term. This method we are going to apply in question number 5. All clear?
5 also, sir.
Fifth, maybe will not. Next class we'll plan. Okay. That is the most important sum. To understand will time take. Should I plan for that? Children, come back. Last, today I want to close this. Stop writing. All of you look here. Final. If you take, for example, x square plus x minus 6. If you do splitting middle term, you will get x plus 3 into x minus 2. Splitting middle term. So here plus 3 is there. If you substitute minus 3, you will get answer 0. Here minus 2 is there. If you substitute plus 2, you will get answer is 0. That means factors are, this both are factors or not? X plus 3 into x minus 2. That's why they are indicating that. Previous starting slide I show you. X minus a, x minus b factor, x minus f of a, p of a and p of b equal to 0. Like this. Factors are, factors, if you substitute in like that polynomial, you will get answers is 0. That's why you have to write x plus 3. You are getting answer 0. That's why x plus 3 is a factor. Or you are getting answer 0. X minus 2 is a factor. Clear?
Yes,
Somebody?
sir.
Yes.